How to troubleshoot Perplexity AI not loading. Is Perplexity AI not loading properly? Don't worry, we are going to fix it in just few taps. First, refresh the page. If that does not help, clear your browse cache and cookies. Still stuck? Try opening Perplexity AI in an incognito tab. This disables all extensions that might interfere. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable and check for any firewall or VPN settings that could block access. Ever had issues with other AI tools too? Let me know in the comments below. If none of that works, try disabling browser extensions one by one, especially blockers and privacy add-ons. And that's how you can troubleshoot Perplexity AI not loading. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.